Alright, in this little tutorial we're going to take a look at using GarageBand to create podcasts or to help students build fluency within their vocabulary and their writing. So we're going to launch GarageBand. So as soon as GarageBand loads, we're going to add an additional song here. So we're going to select new song, and we are going to choose the audio recorder to grab our voice. So once it launches here, we're actually going to go up in the top right hand corner and just select the monkey wrench to change a few settings. I like to turn the metronome off, the count in off as well. And then the top right hand corner there has that little plus button. So I'm going to select the plus, and I'm actually going to turn on this automatic. I'm going to turn that on so that it can will continually grab voice and it won't reset itself after 8 bars. So once we do that, now we are ready to press the record button in the top. So I'm just going to hit the red record button, and now it's going to record my audio. So I can be a student, I can read off a page that I wrote, and I can listen to my pronunciation. I can do a podcast like I'm reporting on some sort of topic from the field, and then when I'm done I can just hit the square, and then there you have it. I'm done. If I wanted to listen to this, I could go back and listen. Let's say I just want to save it, so I'm going to go to my songs, and I'm going to tap on the name my song, and I'm going to name this. So I'll just name this podcast. Whoops. Number 1. And I'm going to hit done. And now I want to share that out, so I'm going to go ahead and hit edit, and I'm going to select that podcast number 1 in my share arrow, and I'm going to send this directly to YouTube. Now if I wanted to add some photos to it, I could send it to iMovie, and I could insert some still photos over that audio. But in this case I just want the podcast, so I'm going to send it to YouTube. So this is where the teacher needs to log into their YouTube and send that up to their YouTube account. I can also choose to send this via email, so I could just go in and I could change this to my student's name and then email. And now it depends on the size of this file too. The size might be a little bit limited, so maybe the length of your podcast can only be certain X minutes long, but I'm just going to send this to myself, and away we go. So here's what I got. I can see it came across as a M4A file. If I tap on that file, I'm going to be able to play that right there in my iPad.